Welcome to Joe Zalius Life Coaching. I'm going to tell you the first thing I think that all humans need to be happy, that a hell of a lot of you will be missing out on, is genuine human connection. I feel like I know why a lot of men commit suicide, why it's disproportionate that I think 75% of men, of suicides are male. I think I know why this is. A lot of people say it's because men don't talk. I think it's a little bit more than that. I think that men don't often have genuine human connection in the relationships around them. So a lot of them talk, but they don't talk about the right things. When was the last time as a man you sat with somebody, allowed yourself to be completely yourself and talked about what's actually going on with you? I bet it's, for a lot of you, for me, it was never. A big massive turning point for me in my life was going through a divorce 2 years ago. I'm a stand-up comedian, as many of you know, and before a gig I left my ex-wife and did a gig that very night. And normally when I see people, they ask how you're doing. I'm like, yeah, I'm cool, I'm good, and that's where it ends really. And I decided to, you know what, fuck it, I'll just let myself be real. And I remember that night I was working with 3 comedians, one of which a woman who I'd never worked with, who I'd worked with a lot of times, but I'd never really connected with, never really got on with particularly. We were pleasant to each other, but no friendship there. She asked me how I'd been going on, and I told her, and I said, well, you know, I'm all right, but if I'm honest, I've left my wife today, and I'm really scared about it. I don't know where I'm going to end up. I don't know what life's going to look like. I'm kind of devastated by it. That's where I am, but, you know, I think I'll be all right. And something happened that I couldn't believe. She was instantly drawn to me, and she'd been through something similar, and we talked it over. And I made a friend for life. And that would not have happened if I was honest. Because let me tell you, you know how you look at Facebook and Instagram and you see people's fake lives who are always okay and they're so much better than you and they've got everything and their life's together and the relationship's great. Everybody is bored of that same shit. So the second you let go of all that and just be human with each other, you make real connections. And I think for men particularly, just do it, be yourself. If you're having a shitty day, tell the people around you you're having a shitty day and allow yourself to do that. And I think that's going to be a very, very hard lesson for a lot of people, because even me saying that, even me saying go make human connections and open up to other people, a part of me is kind of squirming at that, because as men, we're not supposed to do that, are we? Society and pressures tell us we're not allowed to do that, but that's why so many of us end up killing ourselves, because we just don't make them connections. So go out, make human connections. If you're sat there, you're feeling shit about life, today, go and make some connections. Starting point of this, 1, be open with people around you and honest about how you are and how you feel. Second thing is be kind to people. If you see somebody else struggling, if you know somebody else is struggling or going through something, make time and spend time with that person and allow them to do the same. Honestly, it'll work magic for you. You'll make friends for life that you didn't really know, from places you didn't know you'd make friends from. So be kind, do something kind for people. Just message somebody and start talking to them, even if you wouldn't normally. Without trying to get in the pants, I will add that bit. Yeah, so go try it and see what happens. I bet you something good will come of it. So that's lesson 1. Lesson 1, make real human connections, and do that by being open yourself and being kind to people.